DJT stock, is it the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Trump Media stock. Yeah, it rolled down as well, like as all the market is, but Trump Media and technology stock, like I'm definitely bullish on, and let me show you exactly how I would be doing this. Just for context, all I'm using is my strategy that's previously delivered thousands of wins 2023, 2024, and I'm telling you all this because I've documented everything. So yeah, with DJT, I'm gonna go to the daily or weekly chart, zoom out, and this is where we are. Beautiful bullish market, and I really want to take advantage of it. Now, this was previously the WAC, which I got quite a lot of W's on it. Let's see, DJT something here. Yeah, it doesn't show DJT, but yeah, if you watch my video, I've definitely covered it up previously, like all these movements and stuff like that. But if the price pulls down and gives the rules inside this demand zone, then I'm taking advantage of it. All I'm using here is my strategy that's previously delivered thousands of wins. If you want to learn it for free, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars.